Our AUK woodworking squares come in 4 sizes: 100mm, 200mm, 300mm, and the big 400mm. All of these are very accurate for a square, and they've also got holes every 1mm. So using the provided pencil, which comes with spare leads, 0.5mm lead will go through the 1mm holes, and then we can do any parallel marking from our face. Also, we can do squaring on the outside or the inside if we're drawing. Also, the squares have a lip on them, so when we're on a bit of timber, it'll sit there without dropping and falling off. Excellent for marking out your parallel lines, your square, or for testing your machines. The AUK squares are on our website, woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Have a closer look there. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or our YouTube channel.